12,000 feet below the Atlantic, a single ROV light cuts through the crushing blackness. It reveals a collapsed doorframe in third class, sealed by twisted iron bars. Behind them, something remains that stops the research team cold. Two skulls, one small, one large, forever frozen in a skeletal embrace. This is the final resting place of the Goodwin family. April 1912. Frederick and Augusta Goodwin boarded the Titanic with their 6 children, seeking a new life. But when the iceberg struck, the class system became a death sentence. Locked gates and confusing corridors turned the lower decks into a labyrinth. As the bow plunged, the Goodwins were given no choice. They were given a tomb. The water didn't just flood cabin E38, it invaded it. At 28 degrees, the ocean paralyzes within minutes. Forensic evidence shows Augusta Goodwin didn't run. She chose to curve her spine protectively around her youngest son. She held him as the ceiling collapsed, and she held him as the ship snapped, plunging them into the abyss. Today, the calcium in their bones is gone, dissolved by the sea. What remains is a ghostly outline, an iron oxide stain on the cabin floor. They have fused with the ship itself, becoming part of the reef. There will be no recovery, no separation, only the silence of the deep, where the embrace remains unending.